Governor Yuba Sani of Kaduna State government has described as false and misleading the comments circulated on social media over the death sentence passed on Victor Solomon, also nicknamed as Zidane, insisting that the judicial process was transparent, lawful and grounded strictly in evidence. Addressing public speculation surrounding the judgment delivered on January 6, 2026, the Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice, James Kanyip, said that Solomon faced two separate criminal trials before two different high courts over distinct offenses involving different victims. There is no contradiction in the court outcomes being referenced online. Victor Solomon was tried in two completely different cases, he explained. Solomon was acquitted in one case in 2024, but lawfully convicted in another in 2026 based on the evidence before the court, Kanyip stated. The Attorney General explained that the first case, charge number KDH-KAD 73C, 2020, which bordered on criminal conspiracy and attempted culpable homicide, ended with Solomon's discharge and acquittal on May 21, 2024. However, the second case, charge number KDH-KAD 78C, 2020, involved graver offenses including criminal conspiracy, grievous harm without provocation and culpable homicide punishable with death. That trial was concluded in October 2025, culminating in Solomon's conviction and sentence to death by hanging on January 6, 2026. The conviction was not arbitrary or politically motivated. It followed due process, full trial and judicial evaluation of facts and evidence, Kanyip stressed, noting that the defendant retains the constitutional right to appeal up to the Supreme Court, Kanyip said. Besides, reacting to the growing online commentary, the Commissioner for Information, Malam Ahmed Mayaki, warned that misinformation surrounding sensitive judicial matters poses a threat to public order. The deliberate spread of half-truths and false claims around court judgments is dangerous. It risks inflaming passions and creating unnecessary tension. Kaduna residents must verify information before sharing it, Mayaki cautioned. The Kaduna state government reaffirmed that under the administration of Governor Yuba Sani, governance will continue to be anchored on the rule of law, fairness and inclusivity, assuring citizens that justice in Kaduna state will always be pursued transparently and without prejudice.